Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Since NFP is delayed and still tentative, I do have a chart for you right here. People are saying there's no altcoin season, but it is happening, boys. Not just on our own, on our major altcoins. It's happening right now on Zcash. I'm going to give you my exact price targets. Um, tell you why this is pumping and where you want to get into long for a breakout. So before we get into the video, I just want to say, boys, if you've been liking my content so far, please consider subscribing. I've been uploading daily for a while now. I want to get to 300 subscribers, and if you want to support the channel more, I do have a link tree. It's where all of the links from my exchanges or brokers that I use. Disclaimer, I do get some referral fees, like a bonus kickback if you trade using my link or discount codes. So, best way to help and support a small channel. I also have a discount code for client funding, prop firm. If you want to trade with an evaluation, get funded up to $300,000 worth of capital. So go ahead and check it out. So boys, Zcash, man, it's pumping really hard. I wish I just listened to what do you call this, Mert and Arthur Hayes. So I think Mert, co-founder of Solana, actually I think he started shilling this like around here, near the halving 2024. So there's they fixed the inflation, they updated the Zashi wallet. There's a lot of ongoing developments, and then looks like privacy meta has been has made a comeback, and it got pushed really hard in CT, and then people just aped, and there's been a massive squeeze. So kind of fun to see that we are having an altcoin season, maybe not just on our Ethereum or Solana, like what we expected. So you might really have to see and go to Twitter which one they are buying so you can get in. Uh, but looking at this was like a massive multi-year range. We made an all-time high bear market 2020, and then 2021 all-time high, but not all-time high. We failed to get above this, and then you know bear market again, sweep this low. I think this is where like smart money accumulated after taking the liquidity right here, liquidity sweep, and now 2024 halving, and a bunch of new tech development getting pushed by Mert, by Arthur Hayes, and then also Grayscale. I think they have a trust ZEC. I forgot what it is, but institution money is pouring in, and looks like privacy meta is really back. Um, and they're also listed like on a bunch of exchanges, unlike Monero. Maybe that's why Monero isn't pumping so much. Let's actually check Monero, but I don't want to fuck up this chart. But uh, looking at this, it it is looking really strong, boy. Look at this monthly candle. One, two, three. You can even call this one, two, three, four. I wonder how this monthly is going to close, but it's still so far. We're on the first week of November, and I'm just setting some targets here. So my first target would be this high, $900. Yeah, that's also pretty close with the negative 1.618 on my negative fibs. Yeah, we do have one here at the negative 1.729. I want to see how we react here. And then, these are like probably bonus targets if we get a blow off top. I think $1,000 is probably achievable just the way how this is looking. I wonder how many months they could keep this up, but what comes up must comes down. So I am also looking for shorts for this once we get above this level. Maybe we SFP this. So these are my price targets for Zcash, ZEC. Uh, it is looking pretty good, looking pretty good. But for breakouts, I mean for backtest, I wonder how deep this could go because it's just been looking really hard. So you can see the previous high right there. You know, after breaking out, just back tested, break out again, back tested again. So it's very clear now that 372 is a very, very good support. And there's not much structure here, to be honest. So when this moves down, it's going, I feel like it's going to be fast, taking out all this liquidity, low resistance liquidity. And then it's going to be a fast move down when I get into some shorts. But I feel like 372 will be a good support for a back test. And that is also, oops, let me check. Yeah, that was a 7/8. No, that's the 786 right now. But I wonder how deep, honestly. But I wonder where is the previous day high. I feel like this was the previous day high yesterday, or maybe this one. Wait, no, this is the previous day high. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. The straight up, bro. Look at this. Like the previous week EQ. That's when an asset is really really bullish when it holds the previous week EQ like crazy. Like looking at Bitcoin right now, it's dumping and all our altcoins. But meanwhile, ZEC, all the money is pouring in here. Maybe this is our altcoin season. So for local time frames, I would say maybe previous day EQ could be a play. We have some structure here, but I don't like how this is showing. I want something balanced, but you got to take what you have. Yeah. Let's go here. Maybe even here. Yeah, so I would look at how we react here. So if we're really bullish, maybe backtest BDI. Yeah, maybe backtest BD high before going higher. Somewhere around here, daily open BD high, I think will be a nice continuation long. Your stop would be below previous day EQ. I know it's a deeper retracement. Then you trade it all the way up to 900. But if I ever take this, I would move my stop to break even immediately because you are literally longing above beyond premium. So you got to be very careful with this. But this would be a nice long. Something like this. Come down. That would be a nice long, in my opinion. Something like that. So there you go, boys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a like. See you guys on the next one.